Hey YouTubers, today on my how-to video I'm going to be showing you how to install a hardwired smoke detector. The brand that I have is a Kidde Firex smoke detector. It is item number 21007581. Like I said, these are some hardwired smoke detectors that I have in the house. They're supposed to work in conjunction with some of the ones that I have already installed. So let's get to it. The tools that you're going to need are some wire strippers, a Phillips head screwdriver, a voltage tester, and a marker just to mark on the smoke detector when the date that it was manufactured, and some new 9-volt batteries. First thing you want to do is go to the basement and shut the breaker off for these smoke detectors. In my house, all the smoke detectors are on one breaker, so I can shut those all off together. Then just twist off the old one and unplug the plug off the back of the old detector. Use your voltage tester just to make sure that there's no power to the wires at all. And make sure you touch all the wires inside, just in case it might be one live one still in there somewhere. Okay, we're good. Now we can start pulling out the wires until we can see the wire nuts. Try to grab those out of there. Sometimes they be in there real tight. Let me pull the plate off first. That'll give me a little bit more room to pull the wires out. All right. So sometimes when you order some new detectors, you may luck out and get one that the plug matches the new one, and you can just plug it into the new one and you'll be good. But in my case, the new ones that I ordered had a different plug on the back of them, so I have to switch them out. So basically, we're gonna wire up to these, the black, the yellow, and the white. And let me show you the plug that it came with. This is the plug that it came with. As you can see, it has a black, a red, and a white. So basically, you're just gonna match the black with the black, match the white with the white, and the red will go with the yellow wires in the wall. So now we're just going to disconnect the old plug. Just take the wire nuts off. That one's on there pretty good. There we go. So as you can see, the new wires, they're stripped a little bit. but I like to have a little bit more so I can wrap around the old wires in the wall and have something to hold on to. So I like to use the wire cutters and the strippers to strip off a little bit more so I can wrap them around. So now, as you can see, I have about maybe 3/4 of an inch the wire exposed, just enough to wrap around and get the wire nuts on them good. So let's install this. Like I said, the black goes to the black, the white to the white, and the red to the yellow. The yellow one is the one that interconnects all the other smoke detectors together. When this one goes off, it'll set off all the others in the house. Now that we have the new plug wired in with the wire nuts nice and tight, we can push those back in the wall. Alright, leaving the plug out a little bit. Put the new backing plate on. Like so. Tighten it down. And then plug in your new smoke detector and place it on the wall in the holder. Now that we have the new detector plugged into the back, you can just manipulate it so that it fits to the wall. And there you go. And then at this point, you're going to write the date on it. That's on the back, the manufacturing date. That way in the future you will know when it was made, and that way you can change it maybe 5-7 years. So as you can see, I took the marker and I wrote the date on it. 2016 is when this one was made. And you're done. After this, you can go down and cut the breaker back on, do a little test just to make sure they're working good. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Hit like, subscribe. See you next time.